In the teachings of Lord Buddha, one lesson stands out for its simplicity and transformative power: the art of mindful breathing. This ancient practice, so gentle and accessible, holds the potential to calm our minds and nurture our spirits. In a world that often feels fast, noisy, and overwhelming, Buddha's teaching of mindful breathing serves as a reminder that true peace lies not in grand gestures or distant destinations but in the quiet rhythm of our own breath. Through conscious, deliberate breathing, we can create a bridge that connects us to the present moment and cultivates calm within us, no matter where we are or what we face. Lord Buddha often taught that breath is more than just a bodily function. It's a vital link between our physical bodies and our consciousness. He famously said, "Breath is the bridge which connects life to consciousness, which unites your body to your thoughts." Through this simple act of inhaling and exhaling with intention, we anchor ourselves, finding stability even in the most turbulent times. Buddha knew the struggles of the human mind, the way it races, doubts, and clings to worries and regrets. He taught mindful breathing as a way to tame these restless thoughts and, more importantly, to create a habit of self-compassion and presence. The beauty of mindful breathing lies in its simplicity. There is no complex ritual, no intricate technique to master. To begin, all we have to do is pause, become aware of our breath, and then breathe deeply, consciously. As we draw in a breath, we invite calm into our body. As we release it, we let go of tension, stress, and negativity. This process of focusing on the breath, being aware of each inhale and exhale, gradually pulls us out of the chaos of our thoughts and places us firmly in the present moment. This is the foundation of mindfulness, being fully present with what is, without judgment or resistance. Mindful breathing is not just about the breath itself, though. It's about awareness, the art of noticing. When we breathe mindfully, we are invited to notice the sensations in our body, the rise and fall of our chest, the air moving through our nostrils. We become more attuned to the subtleties of our physical experience, and in this way, we also become more in tune with ourselves. In times of anxiety or stress, we might find our breath shallow and quick. Mindful breathing gently guides us to deepen the breath, slow down, and restore balance, calming both body and mind. When Buddha taught his disciples this practice, he was offering them a tool to navigate the storms of life. Just as a boat finds stability in an anchor, we too find stability in our breath. Life, with all its uncertainties, losses, and fears, can be a rough sea. But when we return to the breath, we remember that there is a calm within us, always accessible, always there. This is a place of inner stillness where we can observe our emotions, our thoughts, without being swept away by them. Through mindful breathing, we can become observers of our experience rather than reactive participants. To practice this in daily life, consider starting with just a few minutes each day. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you wish, and take a deep breath in. Let it fill your lungs, feel it in your belly, and then let it go gently. As you exhale, release any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, and feel the calm settling into your body. If thoughts arise, and they will gently let them go and bring your attention back to the breath. Remember, it's not about stopping thoughts but about not getting attached to them. With each breath, you are practicing letting go and inviting peace. In moments of stress, frustration, or even anger, mindful breathing can be your refuge. Rather than reacting impulsively or letting anxiety spiral, take 3 conscious breaths. This simple practice creates a pause, a brief moment to step back, recalibrate, and choose a response aligned with your inner calm. Over time, this pause can become a profound source of strength. Through it, we learn to respond to life's challenges with a centered mind and open heart. Buddha's teachings on mindful breathing also serve as a foundation for compassion. As we become more present and aware, we develop greater compassion for ourselves and others. We start to recognize that everyone experiences moments of fear, anger, and sorrow, just as we do. Mindful breathing helps us hold space for these emotions, both in ourselves and others, without judgment. We learn to approach life's ups and downs with acceptance and understanding. At its core, the art of mindful breathing teaches us that peace isn't something we need to chase. It's not a destination or a reward for a life well lived. Peace is within us, and mindful breathing is the key to unlocking it. Every breath is an opportunity to return to ourselves, to the present moment, to the quiet calm that resides within. Just as Buddha's wisdom has echoed across centuries, this simple practice continues to remind us of a truth that transcends time and place. No matter where we are always just a breath away from calm. In embracing mindful breathing, we honor not only Buddha's teachings but the sacredness of each moment we are alive. And with each conscious breath, we cultivate a life filled with greater calm, clarity, and compassion.